In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit paper cash into Chime. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Chime application like you normally would. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the option that says Move. Then at the very top, you will now notice that we will have these three options. If you want to go ahead and deposit cash, all you got to do is select on this option right over here. First thing you need to do is you need to actually go ahead and select a location where you are able to deposit cash physically. So as you're able to tell, there's a bunch of Walmarts throughout the city right over here that will actually allow me to deposit cash money into my Chime account. So basically all you got to do is you got to select one of these places. So for example, let's go ahead and pick this one right over here, this Walgreens really quickly. So all you got to do is select on that, and once you actually went ahead and figured out the physical location, you want to go ahead and press on this button that says view barcode, and basically whenever you are up to a cashier, politely ask them to scan it, and then from there you should be able to deposit paper cash into Chime. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.